Alright guys, you know where we're at. I'm sure everybody knows what that is. Looking for the girls. I'm sure they didn't go too far. I don't hear them. The turtles. Girls? I don't know where my children are. I don't hear them, which is odd. Probably the Thomas section. I don't see them yet. There it is. There's the Thomas section, and look, they're headed for it. We found them. Okay. All right, Bella. There's your Thomas. Percy.
Go to the girls' stuff. Well, we're gonna look at trains real quick, and then we'll go look at the dolls and stuff.
This is Bella's stuff.
Yeah, with all the cars.
What'd you find, Percy?
Yeah.
I bet they'll have some little.
Yeah, and Thomas right there.
I see. Look. Oh, Timmy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Bella's favorite. Bella? Who is that?
Timothy.
Who is it?
Timothy.
We found Timothy. Here you go, Bella.
You probably put that one in the cart. What do you think?
There's Emily. Bella, look at this. This is kind of neat. That's kind of neat. This whole set there. Now we do have the whole train set.
Here, look at this.
So Bella wants. That's cool. Look at Bella. She's so excited.
You like something like that? Maybe at the new house?
He talks? Oh yeah, she does talk. There's just so much Thomas stuff. Look at this. We haven't been here since Bella's been into Thomas, but there's like at least 3 aisles of just all Thomas stuff, which is awesome. We don't find much Thomas stuff anywhere else. But she loves Thomas now.
Hold on a second.
Are we leaving, Bella?
Yeah.
You sure you don't want a little Toby? I think you need to get Timothy, Bella, because Timothy is your favorite besides Isabella, which we don't have Isabella here.
You want to say bye?
Bye, Thomas.
Who else do you want to say bye to?
Cranky.
Cranky. And
Cranky.
alright, we'll see you guys later.
Lexi loves cars too.
I won't buy this.
Well, I thought maybe you'd like something like this.
Well, I never see you anymore. Come out the door. Like you gone.
That's funny. Got a little snowman.
And look at this one.
That's awesome. There's a
Yeah, these
banner.
little baby ones.
Baby snowman. Oh look, he's got the babies. Oh love, you got your babies. Bella's picking out her frozen little Fashum thing here.
Did you get it, Bella?
Which one are you gonna get? Get the best one. Get the one you think's gonna be the one you want.
Back here.
Yeah.
That one right there.
Let's
This one. All right, Lexi. You gonna pick one up?
go ahead, Lex. Get one to open with your snowflake. Get the one you think's the best.
All the way back there.
You can get it? Did you get it?
It's right here.
All right.
Let's go.
You love Shopkins. There's all the Peppa stuff.
The backpack. Alexa.
We're in Lexi's section now, in the baby stuff.
And the baby straps.
Ooh, Bella, that's cool. I like that. Why don't you open the door? There you go. Press the button and open the door. Pull. Maybe you just pull. I'm not sure. Here. There you go. Go, Lex. Does it go? Can you get it to go? Maybe Daddy will help you. I don't know. Maybe they just have it to sit on. All right.
Hey,
Look at
hold
that
on,
My
sit
Little
down.
Pony Jeep. That's awesome, Lex. I love that. Bella's got the frozen convertible. Look at that.
No, look at this one. Right here.
Look at Bella. Found a dump truck. Hello Kitty car up there. That's cool. Lexi's got the My Little Pony Jeep out. What is that, Bella? Thomas.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
You like Thomas?
Just a little bit. Let's see. Hi, Thomas. That's cool. Go, Bella.
Here, Lexi, on snap it.
Yay!
There, no, not yet. Go over there by the Jeep. I'm gonna spin it and you try to run through it.
Let
One.
me fix your bow.
Alright, go. Oh, hold on, let's try it again. Oh, we'll do it again. Ready?
Whoa!
Alright, hop out. We'll get the frozen car down.
Go, Lex. Go, Bella. You done?